Welcome to our tutorial on using PowerShell commands to check BitLocker status. Let's dive in. PowerShell offers powerful tools for managing BitLocker encryption. Today, we'll focus on checking the status of your BitLocker-enabled drives. First, open PowerShell on your Windows device. You can do this by searching PowerShell in the Start menu and choose Run as admin. To check the BitLocker status of a specific drive, use the command get BitLocker volume. This command displays detailed information about all BitLocker protected volumes. The volume status field displays whether the drive is fully encrypted or fully crypted. Look for the Protection Status field in the output. It indicates whether the drive is under BitLocker protection. You can also use Get BitLocker Volume Mount Point C. To check a specific drive, replace C with your desired drive letter. Familiarize yourself with status codes like Fully Encrypted, Encryption in Progress, and Waiting for Activation. These codes provide insights into encryption stages and any issues that may arise. By mastering these PowerShell commands, you gain deeper control over your BitLocker protected data. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tech tutorials.